So we are going to my Aunt Hopi's house. We just left from Walgreens. We got some stuff. And we're in Vanzilla right now, going to her house. Well, I'll see you then. Because it's cool.
Oh, it's cool. Okay. Because like Godzilla is a monster.
Yeah.
He's a cool monster.
And it opens by itself. That's cool too. Okay, we're almost there. It's been there for a while. Say hi to the camera.
Wait,
Mama, say hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera.
Oh my gosh.
hello, camera.
Hello.
Well, you told me to say hi to the camera.
Oh my gosh, Mama.
I said hi to the camera.
Okay, we are here. And let's watch this. Ready? Set. It opens by itself. And it closes.
Fluffy cat, what are you doing?
So we are here. It is a beautiful house. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Here, I love it here. I come here a lot.
Huh?
Huh?
But I can't believe she hasn't had at least 3 more dinners. Honey, get in the house.
I love it here because of all the animals. Come on, honey. 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 Little. Honey. Be a star. Be a star. Look at yourself. Okay, there's like a lot of mess with those dogs barking and people coming in and out. And so until everything like calms down, I'm in this very nice looking bathroom. Very nice looking bathroom. For a second. And the people who live here are my uncle, my papa, and then some other people who are related to me, Clifton and Darlene. Well, that's a whole nother story. I got this Hershey bar, and I got this humongous Hershey Kiss. That big. We left it in the car though, because we might be going home a little bit. If we don't, I'm gonna bring it out. And right now, I will see y'all in a second when everything calms down. I just want to tell you why we're in this kind of sudden area. I also got Dr. Pepper at Walgreens. I was videoing me at Walgreens and then my camera shut down because I needed a network. That was bad. I got so mad because I got a little picture of the little Hershey Kiss and everything. That was nothing though. See y'all guys in a little bit. Bye.
What's happening?
Look at all the doggies. All the doggies. I'm back. Okay, but the person left inside my papa. And everything's like cooling down. I already ate my Hershey bar. Drank some of my Dr. Pepper. Everything's cooling down. I'm going to help her take down some things because of Christmas. And I'll be there in a second too. Okay, so they left. And right now they're in the background in the kitchen. They're in the kitchen. I'm going to give you a brief tour of this place. First we're going to the hallway, which is kind of dark. This is the bathroom where I was just at doing all my other little films. It's good. And then we have Granny's room, which isn't that much. Then we have the room that I usually sleep in if I stay in here. It's my little monkey's on the bed. I sleep in this room usually. If I do sleep in here, this is for like the guest. And then that's their room I'm not going in. And then we have this beautiful living room.
The side of that board.
And beautiful kitchen.
And then cut across.
Beautiful.
I'm in my pajamas.
Look. Okay, first I'm just gonna do it and I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know if I can see it, but that says hashtag gossip girl. Whatever. This little kitty is like a little stray and he came up to me finally. 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 Oh, no, he just gave y'all a little hug. That was cute. Look at the kitty. What's that? I don't know. Okay, I'm outside right now. I'm sitting on that little bench thing. It's super cute. I'm looking at this little cat. Can y'all see that cat over there? It's very hard to see him, I think, maybe. Not sure. I'll have to go look back at the camera. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see me very good. Sorry if the camera's shaky because I don't have my cameraman with me. I'm filming this. And usually I'm not filming this. Oh, I heard that. Did you hear that, little kitty? The little kitty loves you. I got you, little kitty. Little kitty loves you. Oh, he gave y'all a little hug. He gave y'all a hug. He loves y'all. Don't you love him? See, he loves y'all. This shows you how technology has took over people. Someone who's never seen technology is now playing on their phone. Say hey, Mom.
Hello. And I have seen technology. Excuse me. Who you think you is?
Well, you know what I mean? Like how it's changed. When you were a child, you didn't have any of this.
Exactly, and now I got this. It's changed a lot, and I've seen it.
It's changed, and now you are playing on it. Oh, never mind. Ugh. I didn't know. Oh, sorry, guys. I didn't know this even existed. Orange peel candy. I didn't even know that it existed. I didn't even know you could eat orange peel. They say you like put it in things. Does that even look good? Bake with it, she says. Like I hate this in my hair. Like I hate this little part right here in my hair. I can't do anything with that. I can't put it in my ponytail. I'm gonna get like a tiny clip and I'm gonna clip it back here. Yeah, do that. Okay, I brought me back here for 2 reasons. First, my aunt is going to drill a hole into the wall where the gas connects because she's getting a new stove. And I just watched this awesome video on Facebook of these old people. They did a bottle flip, and then when they landed, they dabbed, and half of them didn't even know how to dab. They were like this. It's so funny. Well, how are y'all being? Oh yeah, I have another giveaway. If y'all didn't win my last one, I have my winners on my last video on the link. If you didn't win that, I am also giving another giveaway of $200 gift. You get to pick out of these gift cards. You get 2 of them. A $100 Pay card, a $50 iTunes cards, $100 GameStop card. I think a $500 Twitter. I think it's like 50 or 5. It's like up to 50 or 500 or something. Toys R Us cards, and I think what was the other thing? And then I have like some regular ones like McDonald's, some other stuff. But I have what's that one that I forgot? Oh yeah, and a Petco gift card. But what's that last one that I had? What is it? What is it? I think it's like an Instagram or Snapchat. It's one of them. I forgot which one, but it's like a play card where you can get a bunch of new filters or something. But it doesn't come with money. It actually comes with like, so you get the play card and you type in the number and then you a bunch of new filters. I forgot what it's called though. Well, you should see if you go look in the link down below. It should have the name on it there. I'll go check. Well, that's that. They have a very cute backyard. Very cute. It's kind of wet back here. Stay in the good spots. You're not going to try to. You want that? No? Okay. So cute. Oh, there's Annie. Hey, Annie. Hey, Onyx. You like yourself? Hey, Onyx. Hi, Onyx. That's Onyx, like the neighbor's dog. Onyx wants to play now. This is such adorable. Okay, guys, what's up? And I'm going to go check out the little kitty some more. Come on, come on. Oh, she comes to me. Come on, come on. Come on. She's not coming to me, it looks like. Come on. Come on. I have to come to you now. I was just in a good position. Hey, my baby. You're on the camera. Maury, what should I call you? Put in the comments, what should we call this little girl? She comes here every day, but she doesn't own, we don't own her. What should we call her? Fluffy, or she comes with little cute paws. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if this video is about to end, which it might end, I love you. And please subscribe and view. And if my camera doesn't shut off in a couple seconds, I will continue with the video. But I love you guys. Please view and subscribe my videos. If you're not part of the Gossip Girls channel, please subscribe. Love y'all. What else should I say that goes with this? Don't forget to leave the comments about her. Her name should be. Love you guys. Subscribe. Become a Gossip Girl. And don't forget about the giveaway I'm having. And what else should I say? I want to miss y'all guys. It is freezing cold outside here. I'm at my Aunt Hopi's, and I will be looking into what my other video should be. I'll be eating that big giant Hershey bar. Love you. Bye, guys. What else should I say? And this has been an awesome day with y'all guys. Love y'all so much. So much. I have about 5 seconds, I think. So I love y'all guys. Bye. Oh, it looks like it didn't turn off.